Yes, fam. 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Low flame. Yeah. This is how we wanted it. So, we can get the flame off. Now look at it. The pineapples are still standing. So we want sweet and sour. This nice sauce. The sauce is supposed to be like this. We kind of hug the chicken then, keeping the chicken pieces very friendly, keeping them together. So now I'm gonna dish up some of this thing for you. Remember, it's bone in. Okay, y'all? Bone in. So you're getting up your pineapple and you have this nice, rich, thick, sweet and sour sauce where you definitely so desire. Okay? And let us clean up. So here you have it. From my kitchen to yours. To your holiday table. To your Christmas table. To your New Year's. To your whatever table. It's sweet and sour chicken. Pineapple style. And that's my way. Now, I want to taste for you. I know some my throat sick, you know. But you know I've got a taste. And you can serve up this with the very first thing that comes to your mind. Would be some fried rice. Whether it be plain fried rice or vegetable fried rice, so much the better. Some pasta, some mashed potatoes. Some people have it with rice and peas, whatever. Be it what it may of your choice. Garlic bread on the side. Come on, y'all, get right in. Now, I'm gonna taste a little piece for you. And I want some pineapple. Because I want to let you know what is gonna happen when you start eating. Now, first I want to taste this little sauce business here. Now that it has been gelled together. So I have not a lot of sauce because I thought me have. It got down. And it was a bit hot and it got me in my throat. Hope it helped. So now back to this. The sweet and sour sauce taste is there and the flavor of the pineapple has just erupted inside my mouth. Picture that. Chicken succulent. Chicken nice. Now look at this. Get right in camera, girl. The pineapple has stood the test and it is still there, but it's moist. It's juicy. That's how you want it. That is if you love pineapple, because some people really don't. Now, from my kitchen to yours once more. To your kitchen table, to your stomach, to your plate, it's sweet and sour chicken, pineapple flavored. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to share, like, and continue to leave your comments below. I've seen that you're doing just that. And you know what happened? I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have not enough words to say thank you. You have been so supportive, so much more. From my kitchen to yours, enjoy y'all. Okay? Love you.